This is the summer mom hack every parent of a toddler or an infant old enough to wear sunscreen needs to know. You got to get a beauty blender to put on their sunscreen. So we personally use this one. And it's a pretty watery consistency, so I spray it onto the back of my hand and then just absorb it with the sponge and then go about my business putting it on her. It just makes it so, you know, she's just putting on her makeup like her mom. And it takes all of the fight out and any of the awkward angles trying to get the sunscreen to cover their full face. If you had a thicker sunscreen, you could just put it straight onto their skin probably and then just blend it out with the sponge. And the only thing I will say is with a more watery consistency sunscreen like the one we use, I do use probably 2 to 3 times the amount that I would use normally if I was just spraying it onto my hand and then rubbing it in, just because you do need to account for some of it getting absorbed into the sponge. But just like your makeup, like it, look up. Thank you. It goes on so easily and sunscreen is no longer a fight.